हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक। अभी हम अपनी नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज पढ़ते हैं 4.2। सो कमिंग टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, it is given that which one of the following options is true and why. Y equals to, so this equation is given to us, y equals to 3x plus 5. So this equation has unique solution, only two solutions, or infinite number of solutions. So now see that this is having infinite solutions. How it is having infinite number of solutions? Now see that for this equation y equals to 3x plus 5. Why there are infinite number of solutions? Because for the different values of x there will be different values of y. So there can be any number of values of the x that we can substitute over here to get the corresponding values of y. अभी हम यहाँ पे x की कोई भी वैल्यू रख सकते हैं। सिमिलरली हमें y की वैल्यू आएगी। सपोज इफ वी पुट लेट x इक्वल्स टू 0, so y will be 3 into 0 plus 5, so y will be equals to 5. So we got y equals to 5. In case when x equals to 1, so y will be equals to 3 into 1 plus 5, so y will be equals to 3 plus 5, or this is equals to 8. So we got y equals to 8. सिमिलरली अभी हम x की भी डिफरेंट वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करके y की वैल्यू आई, मैं यहाँ पे y की भी डिफरेंट वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करके क्या कर सकता हूँ, x की वैल्यूज निकाल सकता हूँ। तो कोई भी लिमिटेशंस नहीं है कि हम कितनी वैल्यूज x की सब्स्टिट्यूट करें या y की सब्स्टिट्यूट करें। जितनी ज़्यादा करेंगे उतने ज़्यादा सॉल्यूशंस मिलेंगे। दैट्स व्हाई इट इज हैविंग infinite number of solutions. Now coming to question number 2, write 4 solutions for each of the following equations. 4 solutions for each of the following equations. Equations are given 2x plus y equals to 7. We can substitute any number of the values for any variable. So if it is 2x equals to 7 minus y, suppose we substitute y equals to 1, let y equals to 1. So this will be 2x equals to 7 minus 1, so 2x equals to 6, then x will be equals to 3. So for y equals to 1, x is equals to 3. So this is one of the solutions for us. Similarly we can go for the other solutions. Let y is equals to, suppose y is equals to 2, so 2x will be equals to 7 minus 2, so 2x will be equals to 5, or x will be equals to 5 by 2. So for y equals to 2, we got x is equals to 5 by 2. So this is another solution for this. Similarly, suppose now we want to find out the value of y, suppose, so y will be equals to 7 minus 2x. So for suppose x equals to 0, so y equals to 7 minus 2 into 0, so y will be equals to 7. For x is equals to 0, so this is also one of the solution. Now for suppose let x equals to 1, so y will be equals to 7 minus 2 into 1, 7 minus 2 into 1, so y will be 7 minus 2, or y will be 5 for x equals to 1. So this is another solution. Similarly we can find the solutions for other equations also. Now coming to the second part of this. In second part it is given that pi x plus y equals to 9. If we want to find out the value of suppose y, so y will be equals to 9 minus pi x. So for x is equals to suppose 7, so y will be equals to 9 minus 22 by 7 into 7, 7 cancelled, so y equals to 9 minus 22, or y will be equals to minus 13. So for x equals to 7, we got y equals to 13. Similarly, we can proceed for other values. Suppose for x equals to minus 7, we can take up. So this will be y equals to 9 minus 22 by 7 into minus 7. 7 cancel, this is minus 1. So y equals to 9 plus 22 or y equals to 31. So similarly, we can take up other values in the multiples of the 7. That will be easier for the calculations actually. So y equals to 9 minus pi x. Let x equals to 14. So y equals to 9 minus 22 by 7 into 14. So y equals to 9 minus, this is 2 times, 9 minus 44. So y equals to, this will be 35 negative. Similarly, we can find other values also for this. Now coming to the third question. This is given x is equals to 4y. So let y equals to 0. So x will be 4 into 0. So x will be 0. So x is 0 and y is 0. Coming to the second part of this, x equals to, suppose this is 4y. Let y equals to 1. So x will be equals to 4 because 4 into 1 will be 4. Similarly, for the other, let x equals to 4 by, if we take x equals to suppose minus 1, so this will be x equals to 4 into minus 1, therefore x equals to minus 4. So this way we can find different values for the different values of the given variable. We can find either the value of x substituting the value of y, or by substituting the value of y we can get the values of x. Now coming to question number 3. Check which of the following are the solutions of the equation. Equation is already given to us. This is x minus 2y equals to 4. So which of them are the solutions of this? So first of all, for first question, this is given as 0, 2. So this is the value of x and this is the value of y. अभी हम क्या करेंगे, इसमें x और y LHS को निकालेंगे. LHS कितना है अभी, x माइनस 2y. इसमें अभी ये x की और ये y की वैल्यू सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे. अगर ये RHS के बराबर में आ रही है तब तो ये सोल्यूशन है, अदरवाइज सोल्यूशन नहीं है. So this will be 0 minus 2 into 2. So this is 0 minus 4. So this is minus 4. So we got LHS is not equal to RHS. Therefore it is not a solution. It is not a solution. अगर LHS और RHS दोनों बराबर आएंगे तभी हम बोलेंगे सोल्यूशन है ये, अदरवाइज इट इज नॉट ए सोल्यूशन. नाउ कमिंग टू द सेकेंड वन, दिस इज गिवन एज 0, 2. So putting in the same value, x minus 2y equals to 4. So taking LHS only, so this will be x minus 2y, x is 2 and here x is 2 and y is 0. So this will be 2 into 0. So this is again 2 and RHS is 4. So we got LHS is not equal to RHS. So it is not a solution. Similarly, we will come to the other part. Come to the third part. Points are 0, sorry, this is 4, 0. So equation is again x minus 2y equals to 4. So taking LHS only, this is x minus 2y. So x is here 4 minus 2 into 0. So this is again 4. So we got LHS is equals to RHS over here. Therefore it is a solution. RHS और LHS दोनों बराबर है तभी ये solution होगा. Coming to the fourth part, this is root 2, 4 root 2. These are the coordinates. So the equation is x minus 2y equals to 4. Taking LHS only. So this is x minus 2y. So x is root 2 minus 2 into y is 4 root 2. So this is root 2 minus 8 root 2. So this is equals to minus 7 root 2. So this is not equal to the RHS. RHS is 4. So LHS is not equals to RHS, therefore it is not a solution. Similarly, coming to the next part, it is now given as 1, 1. So for 1, 1, x minus 2y equals to 4. Taking again LHS, this is x minus 2y, substituting x and y, both are 1 and 1. So this is 1 minus 2 into 1. So this is simply 1 minus 2, means this is minus 1. So LHS is not equal to the RHS. So it is not a solution. It is not a solution. So solution कब आएगा? जब LHS और RHS की दोनों की सेम वैल्यूज आएंगी. Now coming to question number 4th. Find the value of k if x is equals to 2 and y equals to 1. So this equation is given 2x plus 3y equals to k. Now we'll put x and y over here. So this will be 2 into 2 plus 3 into 1 equals to k. So this is 4 plus 3 equals to k, or similarly k equals to 7. So we got k equals to 7 for this. So we have finished our exercise 4.2. Thank you. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा आपको समझ में आया होगा. इन केस अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है, आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हैं. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए, ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे अच्छे सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.